What's up, guys? This is Grant on Reaction, and if you come in first through my video, remember to subscribe, like, and also comment. So guys, in today's video we are going to see that the under 17 are participating in the short races, whereby the Caribbean countries are taking part in those races, and Jamaica at the topmost flight also participating in the races. So guys, let's watch this race till the end, then I'll come back with more reaction.
Second from left, Nicoy Bramble, the 400 champion, leads his troops out for the 4x4.
Four by 400 final for under 17 boys coming up.
All right, folks, let's make some noise in this place. We have the under 17 men, 4x400 meter relay, 3:14.52, career record set back in 2012 by Team Jamaica.
Trinidad and Tobago, St. Kitts and Nevis, Jamaica, Bermuda, Turks and Caicos, Bahamas and Grenada. And those were the teams originally listed to take part. But no Grenada in lane 8, no St. Kitts and Nevis in lane number 3.
We're not going to hold back, folks. We're not going to hold back. Once this gets going, let's make some noise.
There's Nicoy Bramwell, Jamaica, the 400 champion.
Always a tactic coaches employ. Your speedy 400 man or woman on the second leg. He's run 10.88 for the 100 meters. Has won high school titles at 200 in the lower age group. And here in the Bahamas, with 48 seconds for the first time.
You also want to have a very strong leg on that first leg because those athletes run all the way around. And so you certainly don't want someone that is not a strong run in the 400 on that leg. And I think that's what we saw with Barbados in the last race. They had a really strong run out front.
Front end loading, we call it. Put your best legs very early. Try and get out of traffic and build a lead. Hope your third runner and anchor runner can hold on. Sometimes it works.
I don't know if the runner from the Bahamas on the first leg was the strongest one we had, but I felt like after that leg, every leg had to catch up. And luckily, they were able to get the bronze medal.
Valcourt 53 flat, anchor leg. Bain 47.4 last night.
Final of the under 17 boys, 4x400. Off they go. The Bahamians had 2 in the 400 final.
This will be a race. Fine Bahamian team here. And both Jamaica and the Bahamas out hard in the first 200 meters.
Bahamas on the outside. Jamaica center of the track in lane number 4. The Bahamians transition with the lead. Jamaica stepping forward. DeMarco Bennett on the opening leg for the Jamaicans. The Jamaicans just ahead of Bahamas. Jamaica with the 400 champion now. Nicoy Bramwell on this leg. Trinidad and Tobago speeding through as well. And the Trinbagonians surge into the lead down the backstretch.
Bramwell jogged out for the first 150, has made it close. Now he starts to hustle. Bennett 49.9 for the first leg. And the Bahamas with Andrew Brown done some fine work in this meet. Medals at 200 and 400 gets his team to attack for second.
Bronze at 200, bronze at 400. Andrew Brown brings the Bahamians into second position. Nicoy Bramwell handing over first. The Jamaicans in control. Bahamas in second.
Bramwell 48.6. Bahamas in second in hot pursuit.
Trinidad and Tobago in third. Down the backstretch they go for this third leg. Cromwell has given the Jamaicans a massive advantage. A long way to go in this race.
Big lead though. The Bahamians start to hustle on the third leg and close the gap with every step.
Jamaica ahead of Bahamas and Trinidad and Tobago. Brilliant leg for the Bahamians, but the Jamaicans still well clear. I think the Bahamians have Zion Shepherd on this anchor leg. Trinidad and Tobago in third. The Jamaicans well clear. Jamaica, Bahamas, Trinidad and Tobago. The big three well clear of the rest. Down the stretch they come. The Bahamians are rallying. The Jamaicans holding the advantage with Kenrick Sharp. Bahamas coming forward all the time with Shine Shepherd. But Kenrick Sharp holds on and wins the 4x4 on the 17 points for Jamaica. Zion Shepherd crosses the line second for the Bahamians. And Trinidad and Tobago get bronze 3:19.0.
What's up, guys? Hope you've really watched the under-17 race whereby Jamaicans were competing with other countries in the 100x4 meters. So guys, we've seen that Jamaicans have emerged the best in those races, and we all know that at any field Jamaica usually emerge the best in any field that you are competing, you are participating in. Just prepare a medal for the Jamaicans, because those people usually have that spirit of winning and usually emerge the best at every field that they undertake. So guys, this race was being carried out among the Caribbean countries, and Jamaica produced the best. Imagine the under-17 boys doing those wonders at their age. That makes them that they have that spirit of winning, and they usually produce the best short races runners each and every year. They have been winning those short races for more than 50 years. Imagine 50 years. That is not a joke. So these people usually compete very tough. They usually emerge the best with the very high performers that can't be compared by any country. I know many of you might ask me that how is this possible? We have the likes of United States. Yes, it usually produces also the best runners, short runners, but we usually see that when Jamaica emerges the best, the second person might be a person from United States, and also when United States can win, we usually see that the second person might be a Jamaican. So these two countries usually compete, but mostly we've seen that Jamaica is the one that is that has been producing many best short races runners during any competition. So guys, Jamaica is the country that usually emerge the best any field. When we come to the music industries, Jamaica has the best music industries, and they usually produce very best and quality music. When you come to the field of sports, it usually emerge the best. Even their culture, it is being admired by many people across all over the world. Many people usually admire to be a Jamaica because they have that spirit of winning. They have that mentality of winning at any field. So guys, imagine Jamaica produces the best. It has produced uh, the best runners like Usain Bolt, who hold the world record for the men races. It usually produces the very best runners each and every season. They go to the field of races. Even at every race that I usually watch at my own, I usually see that Jamaica usually emerge the best at those short races. Those people have got very that enough speed. They go with that speed that makes them emerge the best. So Jamaica is the one that produces very best short runners athletes. So guys, and also Jamaica produces every quality thing, every quality remarks that they undertake. So guys, if these boys have just won the races at their age, the under 17 group, they have just won the races with very flying colors, with very emails, with very important performance. This, just think about when 10 years comes, how will these boys be? These boys will be performing very better than they are right now. So guys, they have just won. We had many countries that were participating in the Caribbean, but we've just seen that Jamaica is the one that has produced and emerged the best, and they have been always winning. This is the country that produces a very powerful and short races runners at every field. So guys, I also know that, and you may ask yourself that how can these people be emerging the best at this field? This is their spirit. Imagine competing with the spirit, something that is inside your veins. You just know that when I'm going to participate at this field, you just know that you are going to emerge the best. You have that mentality and that spirit of winning. So guys, Jamaica usually have that spirit of winning. So this mentality made these boys to emerge the best at these races. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you come in first through my video, remember to subscribe, and also let me inform that, and allow me to see and interact more in the comment section. Bye for now, see you next.